Hey guys, okay, so I'm going to show you how to make a couple of different felt flowers. The first one, you take a little section of the felt and fold it into thirds like that, and then you're going to put a stitch through the middle, just one. It helps hold everything together before we cut them into their individual sections. So this is a yarn needle. You can use a regular needle. This is just what I had. They're a little harder to work through the felt, but you just go a layer at a time and pop it through. And so that's one. And that is two. Here we go. Okay. Alright, and you just tie it in a little knot. Okay. Oh goodness, I need to just cut that off. That did not want to work. Okay. Alrighty, so once you get the knots in there, take scissors and separate the layers on the folds, just like that. So you have 3 pieces stitched together on the bottom. Take the first piece and you're just going to kind of create a nice looking fold to it, just like that. And I like to use these little finger protectors here. A little hot glue. I like to put the glue in a few different folds down at the bottom to get the shape to kind of stay the way that it is. Alright, so that's the first layer, and you repeat for the next one. When you do each layer, it helps to vary where you put the folds to fill out the roundness of the flower. So because the folds are over there and there, I'm going to put these ones like this and glue that down there. And ooh, that is a little bit warm. Okay. Alrighty. And like that. There we go. And there you have the flower. Now you can leave it just like this, or you can trim the points and make it a little rounder, which is exactly what I'm going to do now. I try to not just take off anything that's a little too pointy and not rounded, because it makes it more natural looking. There aren't straight lines in nature. Okay, and that's the first flower, just like that. all done. I think less is more when it comes to trimming these things. You can always take more off, but you can't put it back. So I like to stop while I'm ahead there. Okay, so to make the next one, this is going to be a part of one fly and also a butterfly. This is the butterfly part, but it'll go. It's the same technique when you go to make this type of flower as well. So I'm just going to show you one, and these are 3 strips of a beautiful yellow felt, cut to about 1/2 inch wide, 1 long and 2 medium sized, and then you just make a little loop and another little loop and set them on top of each other, and then sandwich it with the long one like this. Once you have the bottoms all lined up, you secure the shape at the top right there, and now we need the finger protectors again, and we're just going to put a little glue between each layer. Not too much, you don't want it to overflow everywhere. Just a little strip between each fold. All right. There we go. And there you have it. That is the one section of the butterfly shape, and you just repeat that, and the rest of the instructions will be in the written instructions. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everybody has a great day. Bye-bye.